Look, okay, look, rain, go away. We ain't have no OG, nobody showed the way. Real boss nigga, I can give a whole way. How they gold on me like I play for Golden State. Look, ran into a nigga, I ain't have my pole that day. But you know you played, see my first $1 million cash, I ain't know what to say. Let a rapper say my name, we at this show today. Shot 5 point blank range, I'm talking underlay. Go that way if you ain't talking paper, you know risk you gotta take them. Having more bread than a baker. Boogers in the face like a baby, I fuck with scammer. My little brother want you chasing your navy. I be with killer niggas, say the wrong thing if you crazy. Yeah, I be with killer niggas, say the wrong thing if you crazy. Rain, go away. Yeah, I said rain, go away. Rain, go away. Yeah, I said rain, go away. Look, hey, beat the Rico case, YFN Enterprise. Did a little time, but I'm still alive. Going against the grain, get you penalized. They put that battery in your back, that got you energized. Hey, I got way too much to lose for me to jeopardize. I know they petrified the way we terrorize shit. Try and smack something like a bet on Pride Pit. Yeah, okay, look, whole lot of ice on, I'm trying blind shit. If I lose one stone, you rich, you find it. Bought her mama a gift, she made some fine shit. Played on my weakness, used up my kindness. Look, we were playing defense, we back on offense. All that down defense, shit got us all pinched. All that down speaking, you must be trying to snitch. 2 million one weekend, that real dog shit. They be with you in the beginning, then they all switch. Like grandma house every weekend, we came with them switch. I gave 10 million to my FA, that how I gain interest. You gotta watch what you say, that how you remain in. Pour and drink, like Kool-Aid. That how you make the pain go away. Yeah, rain, go away. Yeah, I said rain, go away. Rain, go away. Yeah, I said rain, go away. Perfect.